Welcome to Caltex Academy. Today we're looking at chain rule part 3. If you have not watched part 1 and part 2, please go ahead and watch before you continue with this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video here, and we're letting y to be equals to the expression given here, that is sine into 4x plus 1. And then this quantity under the root sign, we're also letting it to be another variable, u. So we say u equals to sine into 4x plus 1. And again, what is inside here, we can let it to be another variable v, such that we have v equals to 4x plus 1. So this one is quite simpler. We can differentiate dv with respect to x. So we have dv by the x equals to simply 4. Then we can replace what we have here by v. We have here sine of v. So we differentiate du, then dv, u with respect to v, and the derivative of sine v is cos v. And we can go ahead and replace our v with the original expression, that is 4x plus 1. So we have here cos into 4x plus 1. Then let's move on here. We can replace under root sign here quantity by u, so that we have under root of u, and this can be rewritten as u to the power of a half. So let's differentiate y with respect to u. Therefore dy by du is equals to, we multiply by half, reduce that power half by 1, and then dy by du is equals to u over 2 to the power of negative half. Now making that power positive, we can rewrite this as 1 over 2 and then root of u. This root sign comes from half as a power. Then we can replace back our u with sine 4x plus 1. So finally we have dy by du is equals to 1 all over 2 under root of sine into 4x plus 1. And with this, we have all differentiated all the three parameters, so we're ready to combine them using chain rule. So here we can move on and state our chain rule, which is the nested one, as dy by dx is given by dy by du times du by dv times dv by dx. So let's make this substitution to obtain our derivative. Dy by du is this quantity, 1 over twice sine into 4x plus 1, then times du by dv is this quantity, and that is cos into 4x plus 1, then times dv by dx is simply 4, and then we can cross or divide 2 by 2, making here 1, and then 4 by 2, making 2. And then we write the remaining terms here, such that our dy by dx will be equivalent to 1 times cos 4x plus 1 times 2 is just simply going to be 2 cosine of 4x plus 1 all over sine of 4x plus 1, and that is the derivative of this function. Thank you very much. Please support this channel by subscribing, like this video, and share with friends. See you in the next one. Ciao.